Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will guide you on how to convert PDF files to Word. Most likely we find a particular tool or software to perform this file conversion. Others don't have an idea yet how they can convert files to Word file. First, I would like to show you my file here, and this is actually my paper. Okay, so this is my paper being published recently, and yeah, it was saved as PDF file. So my task is to demonstrate with you how to convert it to a Word file. So this is my way also to opening Microsoft Word. So first, I press Windows R and I just type here WinWord. And yes, there you go, MS Word is already open. So from the Microsoft Word, just open the target PDF file. In my case, I save it on my desktop. Okay, so I will browse. Okay, and once you select, there is a pop-up telling you that selected file will be open and will consider as editable file, and the resulting Word document will be optimized and like the text now, so it's not look exactly what the PDF file, but especially they can able to help us now to make the PDF file an editable file. And just click OK, and that's it. Your file or our file is already converted now. And we have now the Word file. If you want, you can also save it back. Okay? Or save it as Word file. So, Word file. Okay. And let's find it in our directory. So, we have here the Word file. So, as we open, so we have the file here. Okay, so also you can, if you want to save it back to PDF file, this is also the strategy or the way. So just exit the following, and that's all for today. Thank you.